Well, the technology is delivering anchor means that are permanent. So those permanent anchor means, now when I say permanent, nothing's permanent, but they're long-term. They're designed to last literally the life of the tank. All of our studs are stainless steel. All of our gasketing, polymers, gasketing, repair plates, they're all designed to last the life of the tank. So we've been focused in this conversation on repairs, actually leaks, but the majority of our business comes from permanent installations, retrofits, handrails, guardrails, fire suppression, instrumentation, manways. So the permanency of these repairs, nobody knows. It's the proof is going to be in the pudding. And so far, like I said earlier, this is our 10th year, and the proof's in the pudding. We don't get called back on our repairs. When we install a handrail, that's designed to be there for the life of the tank. When we install these instruments, they're designed to be there forever. So all we're doing is we're taking this forge bonding technology and trying to utilize it in as many possible applications across the industry that brings our clients value. And it's really up to our imagination, our clients' imagination, working together as a team to really go in and identify anomalies within their facilities, projects that they would love to see get done, but they've never had the ability to get it done because of their short duration outages. So ForgeTech can infuse this technology into these continuous operating facilities and allow these projects to come to fruition that have been put on the back burner strictly due to economics, cost, and lack of downtime.